What's up guys, welcome back to KSQ. Today's new video, and today we are traveling to Motor Truck in New York. Okay, we just got through security. We're at the airport. It's like 4 something, probably maybe 5, I don't know yet. We start boarding at 6 I think, and we just made it with the Washington airport. Really pretty. It's like yellow and blue. That's their vibe. We're walking to our gate right now, and then yeah. I just found out that we're group 9. Like, I'm pretty sure that's the last group. But my dad is group 6. Thinks he better than us. We're about to start boarding soon. And then we'll be off to New York. We're in New York. We just landed. One of the shortest flights in my life. Now we're headed to baggage claim 9 for our bags. Then we'll just, oh, it's quiet. Then we're gonna go to our hotel. We can't check in till 2 or 4 or something like that. But after we're able to check in, then we'll get to go. It's like 8 o'clock right now, but we have to wait. So we're just gonna drop our bags off at the hotel. My dad walks too slow. He's behind like 150 people, but yeah, that's the little update. In the fountain. Alright guys, so we just made it back to the hotel right now. We went to the Met, and low-key was pretty boring. We found out that we're not really museum people. My dad kind of likes museums, but me and my mom are not really as into it as he is, so like we were not really into it. And not only that, but we had to walk from our hotel to the restaurant, and then from the restaurant to the Met, which was like 2 miles away, so it was kind of a lot. So we just decided to come back to the hotel. We are grabbing our bags right now, and then we'll head up to our room because it's finally ready. be. So yeah. Last room tour of this trip, guys. This is a really good one. I don't have my own bed. I have a couch, but that's fine. Anyways, this is the front door. Obviously, here is the bathroom. Nice big mirror. You guys already know my hair's a mess, and it kind of looks like I got sunburnt right here actually, and there's like a little red dot on my nose, so that's pretty fun for me. Okay, this is a closet. It's got my parents' luggage in there, so yeah, that's not my thing to share. Here's the mirror. Okay, this is my neighbor's room. I don't know who's actually in there, but you know how it is. My beautiful artwork. Okay, my bench next to the artwork, 2 side tables, the bed that I don't have, the TV, that's my dad, the desk, that's where my luggage is, and here's my couch. Yeah, and then this is our lovely view. Thy city. Can you guys even see? I don't know. It's really bright. Oops. I just smacked y'all on the thing. This is the view. And that is the last room tour. Sorry, y'all might not be able to see me. I can't see a freaking thing. That's the last room tour of this trip. That's it, guys. It's a cut and a wrap. Honestly, the only thing that I would change about this trip is me not feeling good. That was like really the only downside to this. Other than that, everything was great. You know, we had fun I had fun for the times that I was not sick. But we're feeling much better today. 10 out of 10. Yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so we're about to leave Times Square right now. It's getting late and we have an early day tomorrow. We're actually going to, well, you know what, I'll keep it a secret. But we're going really early in the morning. I think we have to be at the place at like 9 a.m. or something like that. But yeah, we're gonna be there. Finished dinner though, that was pretty good. Like my burger was delicious. My mom got raviolis, which she really liked. And then my dad got, I don't even remember. Sorry, I'm trying not to get pickpocketed while talking to y'all. This is tough work. Anyways, I just am gonna end this video here because, you know, I'm just going to bed basically after this. I love each and every one of you so much. Bye.